What if I told you that one monk helped save the Indian constitution? This is the story of the famous Kesavananda Bharati case. Meet Swami Kesavananda Bharati. He was the head of the Ednir Mutt, a Hindu monastery in Kerala. The Mutt owned some land around it. Life was peaceful until the government introduced new land reform laws. The Kerala government wanted to redistribute land and reduce large landholdings. Because of these laws, some of the monastery's land would be taken away. Swami Keshananda Bharati felt that his rights were being affected, so he decided to fight. He approached the Supreme Court of India in 1970. At first, it looked like an ordinary property dispute, but soon the case became much bigger. The judges started asking a very important question. Can Parliament change absolutely anything in the Constitution? Can it even take away fundamental rights? The government said, yes, the Parliament has the power to amend the Constitution, so it can change any part of it. If this argument was accepted, Parliament could theoretically rewrite the entire Constitution. The question was so important that the Supreme Court formed the largest bench in Indian history, 13 judges. They heard arguments for 68 days. The entire country waited for the answer. The judges themselves were divided. Some believed Parliament's power should be unlimited. Others believed there had to be some restrictions. Finally, the court reached a decision. The Supreme Court said, yes, Parliament can amend the Constitution, but it cannot destroy its basic structure. What is the basic structure? Things like democracy, rule of law, judicial review, federalism, the supremacy of the Constitution, these are the pillars on which the Constitution stands. You can renovate the house, but you cannot destroy its foundation. From that day onwards, every government in India had a limit. No matter how powerful Parliament becomes, it cannot change the very identity of the Constitution. And that is why the Keshavananda Bharati case is so extraordinary. A simple land dispute brought by a monk ended up protecting the soul of the Indian Constitution. One monk, 13 judges, one historic judgment, and a decision that changed India forever.